Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make barbecue spice. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of paprika, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Using fresh, high-quality spices is crucial for a vibrant and delicious rub. Precision in measuring ensures a consistent and balanced flavor profile every time you make it. Now, let's build those delicious flavor layers. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika and 1 tablespoon of chili powder for a deep, smoky foundation. For a gentle kick, add 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. To round out the profile, include 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder, balancing the sweetness and adding savory depth to your blend. Once all your ingredients are measured, it's time to mix them. Pour everything into a medium-sized bowl and whisk thoroughly for about 1 minute, ensuring all spices are evenly distributed. Break up any clumps of brown sugar or other ingredients to achieve a uniform texture. Store your finished barbecue spice in an airtight container, like a glass jar, in a cool, dark place for up to 6 months to maintain freshness. The best part about making your own rub is customization. Feel free to adjust the ratios of sugar, salt, or heat to match your personal preference. Want more zest? Add a teaspoon of dried mustard. For an herbal touch, try 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme or oregano. Apply about 2 tablespoons of this delicious rub per pound of meat, letting it sit for at least 30 minutes before cooking for maximum flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.